Nasaan ka pala? Andito pa rin ako. And I have this box in front of me. We're gonna open it. It's another unboxing. It's been a while. So, yeah, I'm gonna do an unboxing with you guys. I did stop for a bit because if you saw my last unboxing video, I was really overwhelmed in a good way. But that was a lot of Hoya cuttings and Hoya plants all at the same time. So I think it kind of satiated my, what do you call this never-ending quest to buy Hoyas. But this one here, this is from Jenna of Root and Stem Tropicals. I did mention her from my previous unboxing videos before. I did buy a cutting from her, a Hoya cutting, and then I have been getting this plant-related stuff from her. It is man-made. It is made by her husband. So hello, Mr. Root and Stem. So yeah, let's open it. And I did cut up some of these Hoyas recently. And some of them, well, basically most of them do need trellises because they are long like this. Which one are you? This is the albiflora or the melliflua? We will find out. But I did get 2 trellises, and I can't wait to show them to you guys. Packing. So I got 2 trellises from her, but this is okay. It's not a free cutting, but it's free. It's a free trellis. Aww, thank you, Jenna. So there's this one. As you can tell, it is made out of copper. I like this. It's very modern take on the shapes or geometry. Thank you. Aww. And then this is the ones that I ordered. A huge U-shaped trellis for one of my Hoyas for sure, a long one, and I believe this is the medium size. So you're gonna let's put them on some of the Hoyas in front of me, especially the cute little one. I didn't expect that. She did tell me she's giving me something extra, but this is not even on their store yet. So thank you. Okay. So I think, will this be too long? Yeah, I think my Hoya Diptera Fiji, or which one do you think I should put here? Whoops. This guy? Whoop. This is the, albiflora. Maybe the albiflora. I want the albiflora here. Albiflora. I'm just gonna shove it there. Oh wow. I'm gonna need a clipping. There we go. So this is Hoya albiflora or white flower, because this one has a white bloom and its root is already sticking out. And then this guy, which one is gonna get you? I think this guy will definitely have to take over, because I made this one as if it has its own trellis, so we're gonna give it to him. There we go. This one got it. I wish I have like a copper tone flexible tie. It'll be, I think, very pretty. But I think since the plants are green, it's okay. We can pretend that these are plants. This is the Hoya Publicalyx Red Dragon. Ooh, I wonder how the red dragon is gonna look like. And me. Okay, let me get a plant that's big. And I think I'm gonna put the other trellis for this. As you can tell, it has grown a lot. This is one of the first Hoyas that I got from Thailand. And this is this is my baby. I rehab this like ICU. Well, this one is no vital signs, so it's harder, but it's alive. The leaves are firm, and as you can see, there's this long trellis, and I think it deserves a trellis upgrade. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna try to video how I do it, but if it becomes too crickety, I'm just gonna cut it. But maybe I can chit chat along the way, because technically this one I just did it. I just used bamboo sticks and some wire, and of course my flexible stuff and tape. Yeah, and if you've been watching me, but if you don't know yet, I do use leca as my medium of growing plants. So it's always moist, and wood and moisture, unless bamboos are okay because I think they're good for that, but you have to treat them or some way. I don't know, but they do rot. Wood and water, it rots if submerged in water, or if you keep it moist for a long while, which is what passive hydro is. Moist, but at the same time not soggy. That will cause root rot to your plants if you do it correctly. So yeah, I'm gonna carefully try to untangle this, and I know this one I can do this. Oh, maybe the other one would have been easier, but oh well, it's off. So, hopefully I don't disturb much. Because yeah, again, just like what I said, I just taped this, but I really do feel that this Hoya deserves an upgrade. There you go. But hey, my makeshift trellis is doing its job. But now that I got this fancy beautiful trellis by root and stem, it's getting an upgrade. But it also shows you guys that you can just make your own trellis. And as long as it serves its purpose, go for it. I just hope that the roots are not, they haven't grown around the, oh, I think they might have. See, I told you, like, kind of gross, but yeah, that's why if you are doing passive hydro, try to use stuff as trellises that won't. Oh, is that a mealybug? Mealybug? No, it's not. Thank God it's not a mealybug. Okay, now that that's off, ta-da! Okay, now I just need to basically retrain.
Oh, it's done? Okay, where's the remote?
Retrain the Hoya back.
What else can she watch?
There's other songs there, other volumes. There's one.
Let's watch a movie. What movie are we watching?
So this Hoya, when I got it, it's already long. So I didn't get this as a small cutting. Just like what I said, I got this from Thailand. but it was very limp because as most Hoya collectors, or if you know by now, if you haven't seen my previous video, Hoya ellipticas, they don't do well traveling. They get limp and most of them die. So it's not really rare, I would say, but it is uncommonly seen because they rarely survive it after shipping from Asia or maybe from Hawaii, because I know just like in Asia, Hawaii also has nice weather too. So I'm gonna try to unravel this because this too long tendril, I don't know if you can see my face. These two long tendrils, these are all new, like this past month. Yeah, it has grown and it has nothing to grab on, so it grab onto each other. It's trying to support each other. Let's support each other and grow together. Basically, that's what it's been doing. So now that I got this fancy, beautiful looking trellis, I would love for this to trail here, because yes, we're gonna, it'd be nice to cover this with little turtle shell Hoya, or as I would like to call it, Hoya with abs. So yeah, maybe I should, where this one should go, do you think, on the other side? Yeah, I'll put it on the other side. And then one day it'll be all full. And yeah, I'm so tempted to actually do a giveaway of a cutting of this one, but because of the nature of it, not the chances of it not surviving the travel, I don't want you guys to get disappointed to be just receiving a dead cutting or a dead rooted cutting. But yay! Whoop, it's scary, kind of wobbly. But yay! Okay, where are my trellis Hoyas? And then this one day, hopefully it will look like this, very bushy. So Hoya, albiflora, Hoya elliptica, the round form, and my Hoya publicarilix red dragon. Thank you very much, Jenna of Root and Stem Tropicals, for this freebie, and thank you for your husband for making these trellises for us plant lovers. You guys, I'm gonna attach her link down below, her Etsy store. Check her out, and also I've already mentioned this before, check out her Instagram. It's very beautiful. Like, the mood is just very moody. It's like regal. Yeah, I don't know, it's the filter that she, or just the mood, or just the way, the mood that she exudes in every post, even in her story, is just wow. But then again, here are my trellis Hoyas. Thank you very much for joining me. And if you haven't been following us, me and my plants, and sometimes my daughter Jill, this is our handle at Julians_plant_corner. Follow us there. I do some posts there a lot about plants, and yes, comment down below what you think, and maybe give me some ideas on what to do. And then yeah, if you have any questions, let me know, and may you always be blessed. Ate Mavis, I think it looks great. My